Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can install MySQL, which includes MySQL Server, MySQL Workbench, and MySQL Shell. Just search for MySQL, click MySQL, click download this. Okay, scroll down. MySQL Community GPL download this, click this one. Click MySQL installer for Windows. We have to select the second one, which works for 32-bit and 64-bit, so click download. No thanks, just start my download. You see the download is started, we just have to wait. Okay, from download is this one. Click here, then right click, install, run. Yes, select custom, next. Okay, now click this one, MySQL. Select the latest version, which is MySQL Server 8.0.39. This one, bring to here. Then for application, MySQL Workbench, this one, select this one. For MySQL Shell, click this one, again select this one. Click next, click execute. The following product is installed, just click next. Next, let it as it is, just click next. Again, just next. From here, enter the password for the root account. Please remember to store this password in a secure place. Next, next, next. Just execute. Finish. Configuration complete. Next. Just finish. Okay. Workbench. Close this one. Close this one. But we have to set the path. So go to disk C. Program files. MySQL. MySQL Server. Bin. Copy this path. Control C. Okay. Environment. Edit the system environment variables. Click this one. Environment variables. From here, search for path. Double click on it. New. Control V. Okay. Okay. And okay. Now let's verify our program is installed or not. Just open command prompt. This one, open it. Then write MySQL space -- version. Enter. You see MySQL version 8.0.39 for Windows 64 is installed. That's all. If you found this video helpful, like it, leave a comment and subscribe as respect to all effort. Have a nice day.